Hey guys, hey, this is Anne Marie and welcome to the Anti-HR channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the EEOC, what it is, and some tips on how to deal with the EEOC if you decide that you need to file a claim with them relevant to discrimination in your workplace. So if that's of interest to you, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment constructively, and share this video with a friend. First, this is the Anti-HR channel, and on this channel, I share HR information, tips from an employee perspective. My goal is to equip employees with information to understand their workplace rights so that if those rights are being violated, they know what to do and they know how to exercise their workplace rights to protect themselves from discrimination and other wrongdoing in their workplace. So again, if that's of interest to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment constructively, and share this information with a friend. So today we're talking about the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, also known as the EEOC. If you're dealing with discrimination at work, this is the federal agency that can help you. In this video, I'm going to explain what the EEOC is, why it exists, and how you can use it to fight back against discrimination in the workplace. So first of all, what is the EEOC? The EEOC is a federal agency that was created in 1965 to enforce laws that prohibit workplace discrimination. The agency protects employees from discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, and genetic information. Essentially, the EEOC exists to ensure that everyone has a fair chance in the workplace. And of course, the EEOC was created around the time when the civil rights movement was going on. So it was put in place to ensure an equal playing field for individuals who had been shut out of society in many ways based on racial and other types of discrimination. If you believe you've been discriminated against at work, the EEOC is one of the main ways that you can seek justice. But before filing a claim, there are a few things that you should know to help you build a strong and impactful case. First, and most importantly, document everything. And if you've been following me on this channel, you know that that's my mantra. Document everything. Start by recording any discriminatory incidents, saving emails, taking screenshots, and gathering any evidence that you can. Remember that before you record any incidents at work, that you need to understand what your workplace policy is about recording in the workplace. You also want to make sure of what the law is in your jurisdiction about whether it is a first party or second party jurisdiction for the purposes of recordings. You can easily Google to understand what that means. And I have also done videos on this topic. If I can find the video that I did where I spoke about this, I will link it to this video. And I will also link it in the description of this video. Now, here's an important strategy to consider before filing with the EEOC. If you're in a hostile or discriminatory workplace and think about leaving, try negotiating an exit with severance first. If you can secure a severance package, you will, of course, be giving up your right to file a future EEOC claim, but you'll also be walking away with some money. But if negotiations fall through, you still have the option to file with the EEOC. If you're unsure how to approach this, my master course, which again is called How to Ask for an Exit from a Discriminatory Hostile Work Environment with Cash and Actually Get It, will walk you through exactly how to identify, report, and request a negotiated severance package in these situations. And if you're already negotiating or preparing, my new master course, Mastering Separation Agreements and Securing Your Best Interests in Severance Negotiations, will teach you how to protect yourself and ensure that the agreement that you negotiate works for you, not just for your employer. Both of these are available on my website, and I'll link them in the description of this video. If internal efforts don't work out or your employer refuses to negotiate, you can file a claim with the EEOC. Filing is straightforward and can be done online, by phone, or at an EEOC office. While you don't need an attorney, I strongly recommend consulting one to ensure you're fully prepared. Before you file, make sure you've gathered all your documentation and you've given your employer a chance to resolve the issue internally. Filing too soon without proper documentation or exhausting other options can weaken your case. Let's talk a little bit about EEOC mediation process. Once you've filed, the EEOC may recommend mediation. They do this quite a bit. Mediation is a voluntary process where you and your employer work with a third party, a neutral third party, to try and resolve the issue without going through a lengthy investigation. If the mediation is successful, your case can be quickly resolved, but if not, the EEOC will continue its investigation and may issue you a right to sue letter, allowing you to take legal action independently. It's important to know that you cannot file a legal action in court for discrimination on the grounds of discrimination under Title VII of the Civil Rights Act unless you have received a right to sue letter from the EEOC. If the EEOC decides to take your case, they're going to investigate it further. They're going to review records, they're going to interview witnesses, and they're going to gather evidence. If they find discrimination, they may try to settle the case or file a lawsuit on your behalf. But even if they don't take legal action, the right to sue letter gives you the power to take the case to court yourself. So let's recap. The EEOC is a powerful resource for employees facing discrimination, but it's important to document everything. Try internal resolution first and consider negotiating an exit with severance before filing with the EEOC. And if you need more help with the process, my master courses that I mentioned already in this video can help you and give you the tools and information you need to succeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, the AntiHR, for more workplace tips and employee information. Check out the links in the description of this video for information about my master courses that I mentioned in the video, as well as other resources to help you understand your workplace rights and to navigate discrimination and other wrongdoing that might take place in your workplace. As I always say, HR is not your enemy, but they're definitely not your friend, but I am. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.